Okay, good morning guys. We are in the car right now. Oz is in here, Gracie's back there. It's 5:45. We are heading to Northern Virginia in the Shenandoah Valley. In the Shenandoah Valley to a hiking trail. Well, I say a hiking trail, it's more like, I'm sure with my dad, mountain climbing. And we are doing an overnight hike, so we're doing 8.5 miles today and 4.5 miles tomorrow. And we are like hiking, or we're pitching a tent tonight, staying in the woods, and I have no idea how it's going to go. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with us. I am not really looking forward to it because I hiked with my dad back in October and I promised myself that I would never do it again because it was horrible and I don't know how I actually made it. So I have no clue how this is gonna go with the camping experience all tied into that. So I thought it would be interesting to vlog and kind of see what happens, because he was reading the hikes to me last night and it is clearly a strenuous and difficult hike. So you guys are in for a real treat, and we're about to stop and get a coffee.
Almond milk only?
Large hot almond milk only?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Yeah, we're running through here and then gonna grab some Smart Water and then we're coming. So
Yep, sounds good.
Okay, see you soon.
All right, bye.
Bye. Okay, we're starting. First nature adventure is a giant bee. Got into the car.
Gotta get it out of the car.
He tried with the flip-flop.
Maybe it's the queen and it's gonna...
You always think it's the queen. It'll come out. Just let it fly. It'll come out on its own, I think. This is the trail. You have to be so careful that you don't fall and break an ankle. I think we're only like 3.5 miles in. And we're camping at 8.5. Does it open up there at all? You coming, babe? Okay, we're stopped here for a little break to fill up on water. How many miles in are we?
5 miles.
5 miles in. So we're just gonna refill our water. We have filters to filter the stream water. And then it's gonna be a long hike up Furnace Mountain, which is where we're camping tonight. started back up, and look at this cute little turtle. It's so bright.
Maybe we need to put it like in the water?
No, it'll find its way. Aww. How cute. So sweet. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I look horrible. It has been a hard day. We finally made it to our campsite and set that up. That's about a half a mile from here, and then we hiked back up to the top of Mount Furnace at the summit. I'll show you guys the view. Oh my gosh, I don't even feel like I have balance. Check this out. Wow. It's gorgeous up here. We are about to, we have those like freeze-dried meals, and we brought a little thing where you can boil a little bit of water. So we're gonna make our dinner up here and then head back to camp. Wish I could get in my car and drive here, and then it would be even more amazing. Okay, that was the summit of Mount Furnace. Was that the name of it? Furnace Mountain. Furnace Mountain. That was the summit of Furnace Mountain. We're now about to head back up to camp, which is uphill, which is the worst part. And now we're climbing up. I've already shed a few tears today. They all but had to carry me up the mountain, but that's fine because I made it. My dad had his huge his pack on, which was like, got over 40 pounds, and mine was 30, and he ended up having to carry my pack all the way up the mountain. So it's great, but I need to work on my cardio. How you doing?
Good. Tired. This is heavy.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's got that back. Yeah. My dad keeps leaving us behind. I think. Huh? I'm scared.
Go.
That's camp.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
Okay. We're in the tent. I've never felt more outdoorsy in all my life. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. It's gotta be 90 degrees inside the tent. It's like 85 outside. It's supposed to cool off tonight.
Not 90.
I think it's 90 degrees in the tent. It feels like 90. I'm sweating to death. Like, I'm ready to go home. I told Oz that the next time my dad wants to go hiking, it's going to be a boys' trip because... Oh my God. Also, like, something is happening to my lips here. and I don't know what it is. So yeah, we're just gonna lay here because it's only, I don't even know what time it is. I would give anything for a shower right about now. 6:24. It's 6:24. So now we just wait until it's dark and we can sleep. Thank God we have phone service though, right?
Yeah, we can make calls.
What would we be doing in here if we didn't have cell phone service? There's 2 flies in here.
They need to die. They're gonna fly around our ears
I know.
all night.
Honestly, I'm not gonna sleep anyway because I'm too scared of bears out here. It's scary. We survived the night. We are now packing up camp here. Got everybody, our hammocks and our tents are down. We heard a lot of noises, but we made it. We survived the night. And now we are about to hike our 5 miles back to the car. So hopefully I make it out without any more tears, but no promises. We'll see how it goes. Look at this view. Yes, I'm in tears and we still have 3 miles left to go. It's so difficult, but the view is really nice.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
We are finally home. It's a couple of hours later. Back with Gracie. Happy? Are you so happy? Yeah, we're happy to be back with you too, baby.
Hi.
Mommy thought she wasn't gonna make it out of there. Yeah, there's like, I just realized there's normal hiking and then there's the type of hiking that my dad chooses to do, which is always like a strenuous hike. And we ended up doing 14 miles all together and our whole bodies hurt. We are so exhausted. I was so excited to shower today. I didn't even vlog when we got back to the car because the last, like, I don't know, most of today was really difficult and like a lot of incline. By the time we made it back to the car, I just felt so sick and I don't think that I had been hydrated enough before the hike, so it was just extremely tough. And I just decided hiking is not my Gracie? Hiking is not my activity of choice, and I will not be going on a hike that is that long and overnight because the backpack adds a whole new the backpack, I'm tired. The backpack adds a whole new element of challenges, and it was just, yeah, it was not easy. So I will not be doing anything like that again. I cried quite a few times because I really didn't think that I could push on anymore, but I managed to, and we did it, and we're out of there, and I'm back with my baby, and I am back not smelling horrible, so that's great. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next vlog.